In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import funnels into Getresponse. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Getresponse account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to bring a funnel into your workspace by creating a funnel from the conversion funnel area, choosing a proven template, and then adjusting the built-in pieces so it matches what you need. First, go to the top menu and click Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps the main features for building and managing campaigns. In the Tools menu, select Conversion Funnel. This will take you to the Funnel Builder, where Getresponse lets you set up a complete path for subscribers from a sign-up page to follow-up emails. Once you are inside the Conversion Funnel section, click Create Funnel. Getresponse will then ask what kind of funnel you want to build. Choose Build a List, since this option is designed for collecting new contacts and growing your audience. Next, click Lead Magnet Funnel. A lead magnet funnel is a common setup where you offer something valuable, like a download or free resource, in exchange for someone joining your list. This option also gives you a ready-made structure, which saves time and helps you avoid missing key pieces. Now create a name for your funnel. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later, especially if you plan to build multiple funnels. For example, you can include the offer type or the campaign name so it stays organized in your account. After naming the funnel, select a template and click Save. Templates are helpful because they come with pre-built pages and messages that are already arranged in a logical order. Pick the one that matches your style and goal as closely as possible because it will reduce how much editing you need to do later. Finally, customize the pre-built steps in the visual map. You will typically see elements like the sign-up page and the email step. Click into each item and adjust the text, images, and settings to match your branding and your offer. Move through the map carefully so each step connects properly and confirm that the sign-up page leads to the right follow-up email experience. Save your changes as you go so you do not lose progress. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.